In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet when it's not working or not opening on your laptop. Let's dive into some practical solutions to get you back on track for your meetings without any hassle. First, it's always good to start by checking your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable connection with enough bandwidth to support video conferencing. A quick way to test this is by trying to access a few other websites. If these sites load correctly, it helps narrow down the issue to Google Meet itself. If there's a problem across the board, it might be time to restart your router. Simply turn it off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This often resolves many internet related issues by refreshing your connection. Next, let's talk about restarting your device. You'd be amazed at how effective a quick restart can be for resolving technical issues. Close and reopen the Google Meet app or the browser if you're accessing it via the web. Then restart your computer or phone. This clears out any temporary glitches or memory hiccups that might be causing the problem. Another effective method is to clear your browser's cache and data, especially if you're using Google Meet in a browser. This can often fix problems caused by outdated or corrupted cache. Head to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select the cache and cookies options before deleting them. Give it a try and see if it smooths things out. It's also wise to ensure you're running the latest version of the Google Meet app or browser. Developers consistently update applications to fix bugs and improve performance, so make sure to check the App Store for any updates, or if you're using a browser, make sure it's up to date as well. If you're still experiencing problems, try opening Google Meet in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps determine whether browser extensions or your profile settings are causing issues. In Chrome, for instance, you can click on the three dots at the top right corner and select New Incognito Window. Then navigate to the Google Meet website to see if this resolves the problem. Sometimes the issue may not be on your end. Check Google's Workspace Status dashboard to see if there are any known outages or maintenance activities affecting Google Meet. While this might seem a bit technical, it's a handy tool to determine if the issue is with Google's servers rather than something on your machine or network. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be time to contact your IT support or network provider for further assistance. They can offer more specific solutions tailored to your network setup or device configuration. Hopefully these steps will get Google Meet up and running smoothly for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.